Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Not saying you'll ever draw this, but I'm going to show off how you can group some items and change some colors with the control key all at one time. So this is what you need to draw, really pretty simple, and you can have as few or as many as you want. I'm going to take a 6-sided polygon, and I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. And you can draw your lines first. I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from right there to right there. Now, since we're in the center of the page, I don't have to do anything but Control D and rotate it 60 degrees and then Control D, and you get those segments. Now you can grab your polygon, hold down Control or hit Control D, and just holding down the Shift key to bring it inside, and then Control D. What that's going to do, it makes it pretty equal. Now, the rest of it is just deleting lines, and I kind of start from the center. I want this to be a cube shape, as you can see. So if I deleted that line, I don't want to delete that line. I want to skip every other line. Same thing here. Same thing here. If I took out that line, I want to take out that line, that line, that line, and that line. And then if I took out that one, I don't want to take out that one, so I'm going to go every other line. And then go here, and we need to take out this line, this line. This isn't what the video is about. And then we're going to leave that line. So you want to do just the opposite each time. So we took out that line, we want to leave that line. So we're going to take that line, that line, that line, and that line. Now, I want to group this together. And I'm going to fill in these dark spots here first. I'm going to take, and I'm going to hit this with blue. No, I'm going to tell you what, take this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now, I can select them all and hold down the control button, and by selecting these, I can't select my red line. I'm going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to make these quite a bit darker. Okay, but then I'm going to group them together. And I'm going to go somewhere else, and I'm going to maybe start like right here with this one, this one, this one, and probably that one. And because everything's a group, I can only touch these holding down the control button. And this time I'm going to add a little white, making them lighter. Now I'm going to once again group out all that together. And I'm not saying I'm using the best coloration, because you could do what you want to do. But if we do here, 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 and here, whoop, got outside the line. And then grab those and just hold down the control button and just click it like twice a little darker. And then group it again. That way you can, kind of select what you do. So we're going to do this one, this one, this one, and this one. And I'm going to hold down the control button. I'm going to add a little bit of, let's add a little turquoise to it. Make it just a different color. Now, once again, group it together. That way you can select, and then we're going to go here, 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 here. And that's pretty good coloration. So I'm going to Control G to group it. And now we just have one more section, and we're going to do here. And really that looks good enough, but it's too close to the other one. So I'm going to grab all these, hold down the control button, and I'm going to add just a little bit of darkness. And like I'm saying, I didn't take any time to, it looks like it's a cube and a cube and a cube, inset. I think maybe the second one is even better. I'm going to select it and right click no outline, and then put my black box around it. And, I could have changed some things, and what's so good about it, I could ungroup it and still have those groups to change. Anyway, a little fun project. Hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.